Welcome to this episode of Tech Talk with
Jennifer Evelyn.
Jonder Perez. And Jennifer, wouldn't it be great if our real estate colleagues would be able to create a lead generation website in less than 30 seconds?
Say it isn't so. Like, really, can they really do this in 30 seconds and have it work and actually generate leads for them?
Jennifer, I'm going to show you this tool, which is really neat. And it's called Durable, www.durable, durable.co, which is an AI-powered website builder. Jennifer, do you know what HTML is?
No, I don't.
Well, HTML is hypertext markup language. This is what you use to, for those of you who are hardcore website builders, and it's not a coding code, it's a markup code. It's like a markup type of language. And that's what you used to use to create websites. But ever since then, Squarespace came out, Weebly, Wix, you've got real estate website makers such as KV Core, which Remax uses. But now they've taken it a step further by allowing AI to build the entire thing for you. So Jennifer, we're going to put this to the test. Are you ready?
I am so ready.
So why don't we do this? We're going to create a real estate lead generation website, and we'll see how far this goes. So let's say, for example, we'll pull up a random city or town. Let's say Peterborough. Is that okay?
Let's start with Peterborough. Yes.
Start with Peterborough. So durable.co. Let's click on generate your website, and it's going to ask what type of business are you building. Let's put, I guess, real estate.
Yep.
Let's go to next. Where's your business located? I guess Peterborough is where we're going to put it.
And super quick note, this is actually a free program. So everything that's happening right now, you do not have to pay to develop this, which is a really, really big key.
Don't worry, they'll ask you for your credit card soon, but you can play around with it.
They will. But
Right,
to get this far, a lot of what we're showing you is absolutely $0.
There you go. Now, depending on where you want to go with this, obviously, Jennifer and I are just playing around with it. Some of you who are practicing in Ontario, Canada, there's something called the Real Estate Council of Ontario. So maybe you would put your proper brokerage name here. But because we're just playing around and seeing how far we go, let's just call the business Peterborough Homes for a second. Peterborough, am I spelling this correctly?
That's better. Yeah.
Okay, that's better. Okay.
That's better.
Pull out your timer. Or maybe you can count in your heads, everybody. Ready?
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna pull out my timer. And we are at, oh, not that timer.
Okay, for you. Oh, Jennifer, we're done.
Stopwatch. We're done. I didn't even get to do it.
You didn't even get to turn your timer on, and the website is done. So for those of you who have used Square or Weebly or Wix before, this part is pretty familiar. But what we totally missed out on, and while we were trying to get Jennifer's timer to go on, okay, here it is now asking us to count. But before
Right.
that, it created the website for you in the sense that, here's a neat little logo with your name, Peterborough Homes for Sale, the name of your website on it. Here's some sections that you can click to edit, and some text and words, and AI will also continue to help you with different sections of this. And so now we can put in our, our photos and there. So Jennifer, what do you think about this?
That was almost too easy. Is it that easy to also edit any of these sections? Just quickly.
Yeah. Question, do you have a credit card on you?
I'm not giving you my credit card.
It's probably gonna ask for a credit card. I'm gonna.
Oh, of course it is. Right. Sign up to customize your website. So obviously for the customization, and you can add custom domain names. So if you own multiple domain names, this is a great avenue for you to build super quick websites, stock images without having to pay, which is great. Analytics, SEO tools. For those who don't understand, because I know that some people don't, what exactly is SEO and why is it so important?
Well, SEO is search engine optimization, and it makes a difference between somebody finding you and not, right? So if you just create randomized content without considering what the SEO implications are, then how can somebody type in, for example, Peterborough real estate agent, Peterborough Hallmark agent, Remax brokerage in Peterborough Homes for Sale? You wouldn't show up in there. And now SEO is going to be a completely separate topic, because diving into that rabbit hole is in itself such a deep topic. But good thing for pointing that out, Jennifer, because SEO is very important no matter what website you make. So, all right. So with the magic,
now it's tracking everything you do.
Yeah, what do they call it? Through the magic of television, through the magic of YouTube, we've now logged in. And basically, this is where you start editing it. So what I did there, just removed some of this clips because of personal information and logins. You can now basically edit this as you would any what you see is what you get type of a website, right? So we can add sections here. Now, Jennifer, as an aside, I did ask Durable if IDX and DDF works on here. Their website does say IDX works, but their support team said it doesn't. So full transparency for those of you who are going to give this a try and you want to put actual listings on this, that's something that you're going to have to wait and see in terms of their support. But editing this information is pretty easy. So again, if you've used any drag and drop editor, fill in the blanks editor, you can pretty much just change text in here, find your dream home. And for example, we can type in Peterborough, or you can click regenerate, and it could, using AI, to create a new text for you, right? And then of course, if you know how to use SEO, you'll be able to put in certain keywords, right? And so you can edit different sections, you can edit different photos. As Jennifer pointed out earlier, there's stock photo here that you can use. So you could literally type in real estate, and if such a home like this existed in Peterborough, you'd be able to put it in, or you could take a picture of a home in Peterborough or some of the landmarks in Peterborough and put that in as well. And so you could create lead generation forms, lead captures, all of that sort of stuff. Information that you can share on here, such as your buyer and seller guides, and all that sort of thing. Jennifer, is there anything else you wanted to see with this?
What are the widgets that are available? So widgets, as an aside, are little add-ons that help keep people on your website, but also make it easier for them to find things.
Yeah, and right now, let me try IDX. No, but it's not. Right now, there's 4 widgets that they have available. One is a WhatsApp button. So if you're using WhatsApp Business, you can put this in and they'll create a widget for you. Of course, you'll have to customize it, but then basically you could create a WhatsApp chat on your website. Other widgets include, let's see what else we have here. We're ready to go. The great thing about shooting this live is you get to see how we use it and how we fumble with it.
Oh, click on add widget on that screen. Yep.
Cookie notice.
Cookie notice. Awesome.
Exactly. Messenger chat and a Telegram button. So these are just a couple that are currently available. Now, Jennifer, I wanted to take you back to the website because we have to talk about pricing and what's included.
Yep.
Creating something like this, if you don't have a real estate website before, you get an AI website builder. What's really neat, but we haven't really played around with yet, is a CRM. We'll probably do that in a future episode. Invoicing, this is, let's say you're not a real estate agent, but you practice other businesses that require invoicing. This is similar to, again, Squarespace, where you can send out invoices, all that sort of stuff. AI assistant to ask questions and complete admin tasks. AI blog builder. So if you're not really keen on writing, but you want to have a blog, you can do that as well. And AI brand builder. Jennifer, how would a real estate agent use this?
A lot of people aren't totally happy and they want the ability to completely customize everything that they touch. And personally, they want to be able to generate leads. So how can they leverage this to generate some leads?
Paid ads, organic search results ending up on these web pages. Because a very, it's a long process. So when they say that it takes 30 seconds to build a website, yes and no. I mean, you start with a shell, you get to customize it. But versus trying to tackle this on your own and using template-based websites, or the alternative is paying web design companies, and some of these companies charge in the hundreds, some in the thousands, some in the tens to 20s to 30s of thousands of dollars. And so
months to develop and fine tune. So if you're looking for a quick placeholder, this seems to be a really, really great alternative.
Absolutely. So if you have any questions about Durable or any website builders and things that you'd like Jennifer and I to cover in our Tech Talks, make sure you write it to the comments and Google us, and you'll be able to connect with us.
Awesome. Yay. Can't wait for the next one.
Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.
I almost logged out.